Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you crafters out there. Get ready to dive into the world of DIY plushies and dolls with the BESTCYC Black Solid Plastic Safety Eyes Craft Set. Are you ready to take your teddy bears, dolls, and plush animals to the next level? Let's talk about what makes these safety eyes stand out from the crowd. First off, this set comes with a whopping 154 pieces of black solid plastic safety eyes in various sizes ranging from 6mm to 24mm. That's right, you heard me correctly, 12 different sizes to suit all your crafting needs. Whether you're creating adorable teddy bears, lifelike dolls, or cuddly plush animals, these safety eyes are the perfect addition to your crafting arsenal. Plus, with 154 washers included, you can rest assured that your creations will stay securely in place. Now, let's talk durability. Made from high-quality safety plastic, these eyes are built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy, unreliable craft supplies. These safety eyes are sturdy, practical, and built to withstand the test of time. But that's not all. These safety eyes are also incredibly convenient to use. With thread ends and washer buckles included, you'll have everything you need to start crafting right away. No more searching for the perfect supplies or struggling with complicated instructions. These safety eyes make DIY crafting a breeze. So there you have it, folks. The BESTCYC Black Solid Plastic Safety Eyes Craft Set is the ultimate crafting companion for all your DIY projects. From teddy bears to dolls to plush animals, these safety eyes are sure to take your creations to the next level. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy crafting!